We first look at the first-person pronouns. When I am referring to myself, it's I. In German, it's ich. Remember, the first person refers to the person who is speaking. To refer to myself and another person or a group of people, it's we. That is the plural. In German, it's wir. First-person examples.
Ich gehe zur Schule.
Translate to I am going to school. Here the pronoun ich is used.
Wir gehen zur Schule.
Translate to we are going to school. Here the pronoun wir is used. We move to the second-person pronouns, and remember the second person is the person who is being spoken to. In this case, I am speaking to you as the audience, which means you are the second person. You can think of it as the person who is listening. In English, the second person singular is referred to as you. This means if I am speaking to one single person, I refer to them as you. But in German, there are two scenarios for a singular second person. In an informal situation, it's du. The informal situation is when you are talking to your friend, colleague, or someone younger than you. In a formal situation, it's sie. The formal situation is when you are talking to someone you have to show respect. That could be your parents, your boss, the elderly. This is a key distinction between English and German. In English, it's you whether it's informal or formal, but German separates the two situations into the pronouns du or sie. The second person plural in English is referred to as you. This means if I am speaking to two or more people, I refer to them as you. But German being complicated as always, there are two scenarios for plural second person. In an informal situation, it's ihr. In a formal situation, it's sie. Second person examples. To ask someone a question in an informal situation, I would use the second person pronoun as follows.
Gehst du zur Schule?
This translates to, are you going to school? For the formal situation, I would say,
Gehen Sie zur Arbeit?
Which translates to, are you going to work? To ask two or more people a question in an informal situation, I would use the second person pronoun as follows.
Geht ihr zur Schule?
This translates to, are you going to school? For the formal situation, I would say,
Gehen Sie zur Arbeit?
Which translates to, are you going to work? Stay tuned for the last part of the video, which concludes German Personalpronomen.